We're going to show you how to do an ID card copy for your HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2600 series printer. This will be done using the control panel. So let's place our ID cards onto the flatbed scanner. There are some instructions printed over here on how to do an ID card copy as well. So let's place the ID card that we want to copy onto the flatbed scanner. Close the cover. So on the front panel, if it is in the sleep mode, you can simply press on the cancel button to wake the printer up. There is an ID copy button right over here. It has scanned the first side. We need to flip the card over to scan the second side, after which it will do the ID card copy. Press on the resume button. And there, your ID card is copied. This is the original, and this is the copied. And so, this is how you do an ID card copy on your HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2600 series printer.